Hello everyone, David Lee here. Earlier this month, I got to do a 7-minute talk about eduPermaculture, a design approach to transformative education at the EduTech Conference in Singapore. The host of the talk was Amanda Fox, who I connected with prior through a mutual Twitter friend. Thanks, Clement, for connecting us. If you're watching, truly appreciate it. That evening, I got to hang out with Amanda and heard about her story and the really cool projects that she's currently doing, all the while working full-time as a teacher. After talking with her, I really felt like she exemplified a person with a growth mindset and also with a bias towards action mindset that a design thinker has. I got the chance to sit down with her the next day at the conference for a short interview about the cool projects that she's currently doing, but also about her books that she wrote recently. So here's the interview. All right, hello everyone. David Lee here. I'm here with Amanda Fox. We are at EduTech, the conference. We got connected through Twitter, and I actually met her last night. And
Thanks, Clement.
Oh yeah, there you go. And we had great conversations, and I just felt like I had to interview her. So, can you kind of just tell us what you do?
Okay, so my name is Amanda Fox, and I run Steampunks EDU in Louisville, Kentucky. It is an after-school and summer camp program that focuses on STEAM projects and STEAM classes. I also teach 8th grade ELA at East Oldham Middle School, and I'm an author. I've written Zombie, a Design Thinker, which this is Zip the Zombie right here, and also Teaching Land. It's a teacher's survival guide to the classroom apocalypse. If you don't know what the classroom apocalypse is.
Thank you. What made you start this project of just writing books?
So what got me started is actually ISTE. So I was the president of the Young Educator Network. Okay. And I was in a focus group and we were talking about educational resources for younger teachers. Mm-hmm. And we were talking about the registration numbers for ISTE. The younger teachers aren't necessarily, the numbers are down.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So one of the reasons I thought was because we don't really write or cater to that younger educator. So I wanted to write something that was a little edgy, something that had edge.
Yeah, yeah.
And I love horror films. I taught film, and I asked myself if education was a genre in film, what kind of film would it be? A zombie film, obviously.
Oh, wow. Cool.
So Teaching Land, yeah. And then from that, one of the rules in the book, it's a play off of Zombieland, was Ziploc bags. And Ziploc bags, rule number, I believe, 11 in the book, is all about maker challenges that fit in a Ziploc bag. So I came up with Zombie Zip here, who's a little zombie who's trying to change his narrative by teaching human-centered design and empathy to kids and help them identify and solve real-world problems.
Cool. Awesome. Could you tell me a bit more about this book specifically?
So, Zombie, a Design Thinker, it starts with Zip, and he has an empathy machine. So, one issue that I saw with kids is they struggle to understand what empathy is or how to empathize.
Yes, absolutely.
And it takes students through the design thinking process in the form of a picture book. It's also good for introducing it to faculty or staff, like if you're really wanting to implement design thinking into your curriculum. So Zombie, a Design Thinker starts, it kind of goes through each mode, and as students, it has natural built-in pauses after each mode, and as students go through a design challenge, it prompts them to tell what they've learned or what problems they're solving to his empathy machine.
Wow.
And by the end of the book, Zip transforms into a real boy because empathy transforms us from the inside out.
Yeah, absolutely. That's so cool. It's so funny because today I was just at a meeting, a 3rd grade meeting, and they're using storybooks as case studies to show how people actually use the design process to solve problems. This would be a perfect inclusion for a case study.
Which is exactly what I was kind of planning for.
Okay, there you go.
And it's also augmented. So one of the problems that I was trying to solve is students who have working parents or who are struggling readers, they can scan the QR code and it actually reads the book to them and prompts them to turn the page. And there's a interactive merge cube activity that
Okay.
goes with it that actually puts the design process in your hand in a tangible way.
Also, talking to you yesterday, I was extremely inspired by just what you do. You talked about your family and your books, but you also have a side business.
Yes.
Could you talk about that as well?
So Steampunk CDU, but also I'm about to launch a publishing company, which isn't common knowledge yet. I guess it will be now.
Yeah.
So Meta Ink Books, and what I'm doing is trying to publish books that are STEM oriented, written by teachers for the classroom and augmenting them. So
Okay.
Meta Ink is beyond the ink. It's bringing the books to life to be experienced as well as read. So adding more content in and just making kids want to pick up a book and explore and scan and find out what more that book has to offer.
Right. And you are a full-time teacher, right? So it's just pretty amazing the amount of work you're putting into these projects. Would you say that you have a growth mindset?
I would say 3 years, so I'm really big in the AR/VR scene, and I would say 3 years ago I had no AR/VR skills. So I have a growth mindset in a sense that if I see something and I find it valuable, I teach myself. And
good. Yeah.
like I try to model that for my students because that's exactly what we expect them to do.
Absolutely.
So just finding something, picking it up, putting in the time to learn and figure things out. And anyone can do anything they want to do as long as they put the time into getting that knowledge and know-how.
Putting the effort too. Yeah, absolutely. So this is a design thinking series. Is there one strategy or tip that you would recommend for a teacher who is interested in implementing design thinking into their classroom? Is there something that you would?
Just start.
Yes.
Just do it.
Just start. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, just start. Just don't stop thinking about it and just do it.
There you go. It's a great strategy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
for talking to us, and we'll see you next time. Special thanks to Amanda Fox for taking the time to sit with me and talk about her cool projects. Make sure you follow her on Twitter and check out her books. Links to all her great stuff is in the description. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.